Most people have no idea that you can use a reverse mortgage to buy your next home, not refinance, buy. And for the right person, it can completely change what's possible in retirement. Let's say you want to move closer to your kids, into a one-story, into a different neighborhood, maybe out to the country where it's quiet. But when you run the numbers, something doesn't work. You're on a fixed income. Or, possible scenario, when you sell your home, the cash you're going to receive from the sale of that home isn't enough to get you into the next home. So, what are your options? Most people assume they either stay put or take on a new monthly payment. There's another path. You can use a reverse mortgage to purchase your next home. You bring a substantial down payment, usually from the sale of your current home, and that reverse mortgage covers the rest. There is still a loan on the property. This is debt, but instead of you making the typical monthly principal and interest payment, that payment is deferred to a later date, typically when the home is sold. Your responsibility is simply going to be taxes, insurance, if there is an HOA, and maintenance on that property. What you'd be responsible for if you paid cash. This is not for everyone, but it might be worth looking into if you have a lot of equity in your current home, you want to eliminate a required monthly principal and interest mortgage payment, and cash flow flexibility means more to you than leaving that home free and clear. Depending on your age and home value, this might be a HECM, which is a home equity conversion mortgage, or it might be a different reverse mortgage product. Different tools, same concept. Use your equity strategically. Sometimes retirement isn't about shrinking your life. It's about relocating it closer to your people, closer to peace, closer to what you actually want that next chapter to look like. And too many people think they can't move when really they just haven't been shown the math. If you're thinking about moving, but you don't love the idea of another mortgage payment, this might be a conversation worth having. Your home can be more than where you've been. It can fund where you're going.